Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix food burning on the bottom of the Monsieur Cuisine Smart bowl. If your food is burning, then it's probably a user error. You should make sure that the mixing speed is set correctly, so you may want to increase it in case it burns. Also, it may be too little liquid if your ingredients are very dry, or the thing that you're doing is very thick, like a thick sauce or something like that, then well, it may burn, especially in higher temperatures, and too high temperature for some ingredients will also cause burning on the bottom of the device. By the way, if you'd like to clean it, you can set the speed and the time to about 10 minutes. Then the speed to like 1, temperature to 100, and put a liter of water in the bowl and 50 grams of vinegar. Then after the program finishes, you should wait additional 10 minutes for it to cool down. Then remove the liquid, wipe everything off with a paper towel, then disassemble the bowl, so remove the knife from the bowl and rinse everything with water. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Monsieur Cuisine Smart not downloading recipes or not syncing. If your device isn't downloading recipes or syncing, then first of all check the Wi-Fi connection. You may want to click on the Wi-Fi symbol and make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi. You may want to turn the Wi-Fi off, wait for half a minute, then turn it on. After turning it on, make sure you are connected again, and then see if you can sync. If not, move your router closer to the device. You may want to restart your router as well if you can. Then you may want to go to 3 lines in the top right corner, go to the settings, scroll down, go to storage, and if your storage is full, you'll have you'll have recipes listed. You will be able to click on a recipe and remove it on a few, so that you free up space. Then you may want to, if it doesn't help, you may want to go to logout, click on yes, then try restarting your device by turning the switch on the right side off, then waiting half a minute and then turning it on. After it's on, you will be able to sign back into your account, and if that doesn't help, then you may need to update the software, because that may be the issue. So I'll just show you these two things. You can see now it is off, now it's on, so you may want to click on login/sign up and log into your little account again. After signing in, if it doesn't work, you may want to click on 3 lines in the top right corner, go to the settings and go to about. Then if it finds an update, install it. If it doesn't, you'll need to wait maybe a couple of days, and they may acknowledge the issue, or you may want to contact support. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.